Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to derive the mass flow rate equation given the diameter, velocity, and density. There's no free body diagram, so we can skip step 1. Step 2 lists the given values and find the unknown. So they give us diameter in meters, velocity in meters per second, and density. We want to find mass flow rate. Step 3, what do we know? So we know mass flow rate, m dot, is equal to kilograms per second, which is a function of density, kilograms per meter cubed. We've got the diameter, which is meters. And then we got velocity, which is meters per second. Step 4, correlate the units. So m dot is proportional to rho diameter squared v. So if we multiply the units, we have our density, kilograms per meter cubed, multiplied by our area, and then multiplied by our velocity. That gives us kilograms per second. So the meters cubed cancels out with meters squared and meter. You're left with kilograms and seconds. Okay, so in simple format, m dot is equal to c multiplied by rho d squared v, where c is the constant, so that's pi divided by 4. So the constant is your area separated out. So this pi divided by 4 is part of the area equation. So step 5, derive the mass flow rate. So m dot is equal to rho multiplied by pi multiplied by diameter squared divided by 4 multiplied by the velocity. Note that dimensionless constants are proportionality cannot be determined with this approach. So you can only derive formulas with units that have dimensions. If they don't have dimensions, you can't use those units to derive it. Okay, disclaimers. The method should be correct and is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. You can do this using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open it up. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Because this is a made-up question, they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.